Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something quite interesting to show you all. I will be showing a step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11 on a USB flash drive. So for those of you with an old laptop or PC that are still running on Windows 10 or prior, or even a brand new PC, this video is for you. So you may be wondering why I'm doing this video in the first place. So recently my brother asked me to sell his old laptop, which he's had for a couple of years now. And unfortunately, this is still running on Windows 10. So I thought to myself that before selling it online, why not upgrade it to Windows 11 to hopefully increase its market value, while also showing you guys how to install Windows 11. So basically two birds with one stone, right? So this video will be divided into three sections. The first section is I will be opening this laptop and replacing the old hard drive with a new hard drive because the old hard drive has some important information that my brother wants to keep. Next, I will show you guys how to install Windows 11 on the USB flash drive through the official Microsoft website. And finally, I'll show you guys how to navigate through your laptop or PC's BIOS settings to begin installation through the attached USB flash drive. So yeah, I'm really excited, and yeah, onto the hyperlapse video. So just a helpful tip for those of you planning on installing Windows 11 on your old laptop. So before you install Windows 11, do make sure that an M.2 or at least a SATA SSD is available in your device. Why? Because if you installed Windows 11 on a HDD, it's going to make your laptop feel very slow and sluggish as opposed as if it were installed in an M.2 or a SATA SSD. And another tip is that if you decide to open up your laptop, do make sure to take pictures before you take out the HDD, because I spent a lot of time earlier trying to figure out where the brackets go and all that, because unlike a PC, a laptop's HDD is held by various other parts, not just the HDD. So just make sure how to put it all back together. So yeah, onto the installation guide. To install Windows 11 on the USB flash drive, firstly, do make sure that the flash drive is plugged into any available computer. Now, this doesn't have to be exactly the computer you plan to upgrade Windows 11 on, given that we only want to install the Windows 11 installer on the flash drive. So navigate to the official Microsoft Windows 11 software download site. I will leave it in the description below. So here, click on the second download link. The first one is just to install Windows 11 on the main device, and we don't want that because I'm running on my main laptop right now. Click on the second link, download now, download it, and run the media creation tool. Agree to the terms and conditions. Here, you could change the language if you want to. So any language you want, in addition to Windows 11. And here, choose the USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. And here's my flash drive. Just click next. Yeah. And once the progress finishes, you can plug out your USB flash drive and plug it back into the laptop or PC you plan to install Windows 11 on. So here are the files that should be available upon completion. Do note that your USB flash drive will act as a boot drive, so all old data that was initially present on the flash drive will be completely erased. So do make sure to back up those files before you proceed. While you're at it, check online on how to navigate into your laptop's BIOS settings. So my brother's laptop is an HP laptop, so I have to click the F10 or S key, and I'll show it to you when I start with download. So yeah, onto the download process. So right now we'll be installing Windows 11 with the USB flash drive. So plug the flash drive into the laptop. Okay, and turn on the laptop. And as I mentioned earlier, take note on how to navigate into the BIOS settings. So for me, click Ask. So just spam the Ask button. So you can see. And to go to the BIOS setup, F10. So we'll click the F10 key. There you go. And now use the keyboard's arrow keys to navigate through the BIOS. Go to System Configuration and go into Boot Options. Enter. Make sure that USB boot is enabled. Then in the UEFI boot order, currently the first priority is OS Boot Manager. Use the F4, F5, and F6. Now this may differ based on your laptop or PC's motherboard to go up or down. So I'll go to the USB diskette on key USB hard disk. I'll click F4. That's F6. So F6 to put it up the top, right there. And click Enter to save changes, and F10 to save and exit. So that's all you need to do. F10. Yes. Now the laptop will boot through the USB flash drive. So the Windows 11 installer. Choose the language to install. Keyboard US. I would like to install Windows 11. Agree to the terms and conditions. There you go. Okay, accept. And here's the difficult part. So you have a lot of partitions. You have to delete all of the partitions until one of them remains, which is the M.2 or SATA SSD. So this mostly are just cache files. So delete partition. Okay, so right now, once you've removed every partition, you should be able to see your hard disk drives or SATA drives or M.2 drives. So there's currently in this laptop, there's a 1 terabyte HDD and a 128 gigabyte SATA M.2 SSD, I mean. So I'll choose the M.2 SSD right here. This is the USB flash drive. So always take note of the storage you're using. That's a good trick I use. So choose. And we're installing Windows. So now this might take a while. So I'll just transition to the part where I've set everything up. But yeah, that's all you need to do. So once the download finishes, you should be automatically redirected to the setup process. But in my case here, it goes back to this select language settings menu. So to fix that issue, just turn off the laptop first. Turn it back on. And navigate into BIOS again. And now change back the boot order to the OS Boot Manager. So right now OS Boot Manager is second. Just put it back to the first. There you go. And save it. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Windows 11. Good job. And with that, you're all set up with Windows 11. If this video helped you out in any way, do make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech-related content. Anyways, thanks for watching the video and see you next time.